good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a website for art portfolio. I'll be showing you how to do this for free. The platform that we'll be using to create our website is Wix Website Builder. With Wix, you can use it even as a complete beginner to create a professional looking website. So you're going to go onto wix.com and you're going to create an account using your email address. Once you have created your account, I want you to tap on Create on Wix Editor. After selecting Create on Wix Editor, you will be redirected to this page and you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. Once you have tapped on Set Up Without Chat, you're going to simply type in Art Portfolio right here and you can select Art Portfolio. Then you'll tap on Continue. After tapping on Continue, you will be redirected to a new page. And this is our dashboard. From here, you can enter the name of your site. So I will call it Test Art. Then I'll tap on Continue in the bottom right hand corner. Then you can decide the apps that you would like to add to your website. So the first app will be the Portfolio app, which will allow you to showcase your work. You can also select whether you would like to add your Instagram feed, whether you would like to sell tickets. So for example, you can sell tickets to an event using this website. You can also select video, which will allow you to upload and stream videos, and you can also sell videos if you want. So you could select that. Then once you're finished, you can scroll down. If you'd like to add a blog, you can also do that by selecting blog. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Continue in the bottom right hand corner, then tap on Continue to Dashboard. After selecting Continue to Dashboard, you're going to give it a few seconds while it loads up. Then from here, you can go over to the left hand menu option, select Portfolio. Then you can select what type of pics you would like to display. So you can select whether photography, web design, illustrations, graphic design, branding, or other. I'm going to select photography, then tap on next. Then from here, you could tap on upload from computer and you could upload your photos right there. After you're finished doing that, if you would like to sell videos, you will select video library. Then you could tap on upload videos and you'll be able to upload videos from your computer, Dropbox, or Google Drive, or you could paste in a video URL, for example, a YouTube video. But let's say I were to add a random video from my device. So let's say this video. You can see right here by tapping on the pencil icon, I can decide whether I would like to give this video away, for example, for free, so persons will be able to watch it for free. Or you can tap on paid, and then from there you could set the price that you would like to sell the video for. Then you can also select whether you would like to allow persons to download it or not. After you're finished, you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner to save the changes. Once you're finished, I want you to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select Getting Paid. After selecting Getting Paid, if it is a case that you plan on selling any form of your artwork, you're going to tap on Connect Payment Method. And these are the payment options that you'll be able to offer your customers. So it varies depending on the country you're located in. You have TelePay, PayPal, and if I were to change my region to, for example, United Kingdom, you'll realize that I'll now be able to offer a whole different set of payment options to my customers. So I can accept payments now through Wix. I can also tap on See More and you will see more payment options, for example, Klarna, ClearPay, and so much more. So it varies depending on the country you're located in. Once you're finished setting that up, you're going to tap on Set Up from the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Design Site. After selecting Design Site, you're going to tap on Pick a Template. From here, you can select from any one of these beautiful templates. So you can scroll down and there are numerous templates you can select from. Let's say we were to select this one. All you'll need to do is tap on Edit. Once you have tapped on Edit, you are going to give it a few seconds while your website is loading up in the background. Once the website loads up, you're going to see a pop-up box appear. In this pop-up box, if you would like to use the Wix AI to compose content for your website, you could tap in the box and type in some information or some details that you would like to be added to your site. Then tap on Generate Site Text. I would normally close the pop-up box, tap on the plus 50% in the top right-hand corner, and at the moment this is how our website looks. To customize it, you can simply hover over any section you'd like to change, then tap on Quick Edit. Then for example, I could change this right here. So let's say I want to change it to J. And then from here, I could also change the name. So I'm going to change the name real quick. After you have done that, you'll simply tap on the X in the top right hand corner and you can continue making changes. So for example, I could change the image right here by simply tapping on it. You could change the image, you could select change image, and you could upload a new image. So you'll tap on upload media, and from there you'll be able to upload a new image, or you could get a copyright free image by selecting media from Wix, and I could select a new image that I would like to use. So let's say for example this image right here, then tap on choose image and you'll realize that the image has now changed. You can also scroll down, and if it is a case that you would like to add another section, you can do that. All you need to do once you scroll down, from here you can tap right here to adjust the footer section. After you have done that, you will see the option add section, and you could tap on add section. Then from there, you can select whether you would like to add an about section, a gallery section, team section, contact section. Any one of these options you can select and you'll be able to quickly add it. So for example, if I would like to select gallery, then I could select view gallery right there and I could simply tap on it and it will automatically be added. Now, if we were to scroll down, you can see that I've now added gallery to this page, as you can see right there. Then from there, I'll be able to arrange the gallery by tapping on Manage Media. After selecting Manage Media, you could tap on Add Media in the top right hand corner, and you could upload the images that you would like to add. Once you're finished doing that, if it is a case that you would like to add anything else to your website, you can go over to the top left hand corner and tap on Add Elements. From here, you can add text boxes, images, buttons, anything at all that you would like to add, you'll find it in this section. Keep in mind, to view all pages on your website, you'll need to tap on Home in the top left hand corner. So for example, if I wanted to view the portfolio page, I could tap on Portfolio and you can see how it looks right there. And to save the changes, you'll tap on Save in the top right hand corner. Then you can tap on Publish and your website will now be live. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.